Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be talking about how to stream using Restream.io, specifically speaking, the Restream Studio. So diving right in, once you're logged in, you're going to have the option to add a channel. So there's a multitude of different services that you can stream from, multiple ones at the same time, which is really the purpose of Restream and why it's such a powerful tool. For this example though, I'm just going to connect my LinkedIn. And once you're signed into your LinkedIn on Restream, it'll ask you where you want to stream to, whether that's your personal profile, whether that's a page that you run, and whether you want it to be a scheduled event. You can do a whole bunch of different things depending upon what service you're streaming to. This is just the example that we're doing for LinkedIn. So we're just going to set none for now, just so we can show you guys the in-depth live studio that Restream offers for you to stream to. I have a second camera set up. Hello, how are you doing? That is beautifully showing everything that I needed to. This is going to be a great stream setup for me moving forward. So this is a great way to stream right from your browser. You don't have to worry about anything else. You don't have to worry about downloading any software, worrying about any RTMP codes or anything along those lines. You just plug in your camera and you're good to go. This is a great way for everybody to get up and go, and there's so many different functionalities within this that I want to show you. First off, there's a chat. As you show your chat on the stream, it can help really bring home some of those, whether it's a Q&A that you're doing, whether it's, there's so many different ways that you can use this feature to really engage your audience. So while they're streaming, if there's a question that pops up, you can just pop it on the stream and ask it. I'm just going to hide these for now. There's also captions that you can do if you want to showcase what Restream does, for example. You can pop that on there, but you can create your own, and it's just another effective way if you want to just pop on, hey, follow me on Twitter. Boom, put your @ and then it's there. That's another great way to do that. Another option is logo. You can put a little logo on. You can see I have mine in the upper right-hand corner here. Restream has theirs as well. You can add your own, and it's a great way to get a little bit more branding as well. You can add overlays if you want to create your own, or you have one that's created for you. You can add those as well. Video, if you want to showcase a video. If I want to bring in one of my Twitch stream clips, I can do that. It might take a little bit to upload here, so while we're waiting for that, we can also upload backgrounds. So if I want to do just like a little background for if I'm not, currently using the camera, or I've got to run to the bathroom, grab a quick bite to eat during my stream, you can utilize these backgrounds. Say if I just want to turn off my camera and still have something showing, or you can use many of the ones that they have featured as well. So that is a great overview. You can do more. You can change the title. You can change the description within each specific destination, and you can update all of them at the same time if you want to, if you're just doing it in bulk. So now that this video is uploaded, I can go and show this video. It can play, and I can have this going on while I'm talking over it. I can have it playing while other things are going on, and it's just a really cool way to bring in some other videos if there's something that you're referencing specifically that you want your audience to see based on what topic you may be live streaming about. So I hope that gives you a really good explanation and introduction into the Restream Studio. I hope that this video helps, because this is such a great and easy way to bring your audiences together from all of your platforms and just stream it from one source at one time to everything. All of your chats are integrated into the chat. All of your socials can be right there in the same place, and you can bring everybody together to do Q&A sessions, to play video games. I've used this for so many different reasons, and I hope to see all of you guys as well using this to its fullest advantage. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.